thing I can do is I can now add to this list, right? Because when I add the car, I'm giving the details of the car right there. So if I wanted to say, int wheels equals input, I'm going to have to shift that to int on the fly. How many wheels? And I've got the make equals input. What is the make? Okay, so now let's print out all the cars after this. For OB car in LI cars, print, let's F string that, and we'll say OB car dot str make, no, make has OB car dot int wheels. Okay, so let's run this. I'm going to start out. It starts out by appending or adding those 3 cars. But after I do this, after I ask those 2 questions, I can say li cars dot append, and I'm going to say cl car, and I'm going to give it the number of wheels as an integer, which is int wheels, and I'm going to give it the make, which is str make, and now it will add that car to my list and then print out the whole list. So let's run this code. How many wheels? 8. And I'll call it a tank. Okay, so now I'm interacting with that list by adding an object, and it's just as easy to remove an object